Okay, so there are several important set operations that we need to perform. So we have let's say A as 1 2 3 7 8, B as 1 7 4 5 6. So if you can see, we have 1 and 7 common in both the sets. Now there are few operations which are very much useful in set. If we'll do A dot union B, if you remember, in mathematics, in algebra, in set in A we have A union B, which basically combines both the data and give you the unique result. So give you the unique result, give you the union of both. So what will you get in that case? You will get all the elements from A and you'll get all the elements from B, but all of them will be unique. None of them will be duplicate. Like 1 is there, so you won't get 1 2 times over here, right? A dot intersection B is the same one. Intersection means when you will be having the common elements between A and B, right? The same mathematics operation. So here 1 and 7 are the common ones, so you'll get 1 and 7. A minus B is basically when you will be removing all the elements which are there in B. So 1 is there in B, 7 is there in B, so you'll get 2 3 and 8, right? B minus A, same operation. You will get 4 5 and 6 because 1 and 7 are already there in A, so you won't get 1 and 7. Now A and I don't know what we can call this operator, A cap B we can say. So if you can see in this one, you will be getting all the elements. This is basically disjoint set. So A disjoint B, where you will be getting all the different all the elements which are not even there in A, which are not common in A, right? So 1 and 7 are common in both, so you'll get 2 3 8 and 4 5 and 6. Okay, let's go and try these out in Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so I have opened my Jupyter Notebook. Let's try with I'll say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and B as 1 and 7 and let's say 8 9 and 10, right? Okay, so these are two sets that we have. Now A dot union B, what are we going to get from this? We will be getting all the elements from 1 to 10, right? Because it will be the unique set of both of them. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Union is basically you will be combining both the sets and you will be getting as the output wherein all the elements from A and all the elements from B will be there. But the thing is, there will not be any duplicate. So if there is an element 1 which is there in A and which is there in B as well, so you won't be getting two ones over here. And we already know the set doesn't contain any duplicate elements, so it will be unique. So we can say that yes, we have included all the elements, but then we have removed one of the duplicates, right? Now let's try another one. A dot intersection of B. So what will we get in this case? 1 and 7, right? Yeah, we got 1 and 7, right? Now let's subtract A from B. What we will get from this? We will not be getting the elements which are there in B. So 1 and 7 are there in B. A minus B means remove B from A. 8 9 10 is already not there in A, so we will not be worried about it. But we will be worried about 1 and 7 which is already there in A, so we will not be printing 1 and 7. What you'll get 2 3 4 5 and 6, right? If you'll go and try B minus A, it will also result 8 9 and 10 only, because we know that we want to remove the elements which are there in A. 2 3 4 5 6 are not there in B, so we will not be considering them. But 1 and 7 are there in A, so we will remove 1 and 7, right? So the last operation, which is this joint A and cap B, what will you get? You will get all the non-common elements between A and B, right? So you will get 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 9 and 10. So these are some of the operations that we will be doing in sets, that we have done in sets. So let's revise once again. So what are the basic properties of set? It will be defined in curly brackets. The second thing is there will not be any duplicates in the set. If you have true, it will be considered as 1, as I had already told you in Boolean values, and false will be considered as 0. So you will be retrieving either 1 of true or either false or 0, right? 50 and 50.0 both are same, float and integers. If you want to know the type of the set, you can just try type B and you'll get the set. Type and name of the set and you'll get the set. Then if you want to convert a list to a set, just provide set as a method, and in set method provide list1 in parentheses. List, what is the name of the list that you will be providing in the parentheses, right? If you want to iterate a set, you can say for I in name of the set and then print I. You will get all the elements which will be unique. Then there are several methods that we have discussed. One is if you want to add anything, any number, any element, any string, you can use that method. If you want to add multiples, you can use update by using a list or by using a set. And even you can use tuple as well. So we will be discussing about tuples in the next lecture. And then if you want to find the length of the set, we already know that it's a universal len method that will be used. Then we have update is already done. Then we have the remove one, wherein what we will be doing, we will be remove the element which we have provided. If you do not want to provide any element, you can just use pop method, where you will not be providing any element, and it will remove any element from the set. Okay. And then if you want to just remove all the elements, you can use dot clear method, right? Now the last one, wherein we will be seeing some various mathematical operations that were used in sets. So these are some of the operations. One is union, wherein you will get the union all the elements from A and B. You will get all the elements from A and B using A dot union B. If you want just the common elements between A and B, you can use intersection B. If you want the elements of A which are not there in B, you can use A minus B. If you want the elements of B which are not there in A, you can use B minus A. And if you want to find out all the elements which are not common in A and B, you can use A disjoint B. Fine. So just one thing, I think A disjoint B, this is correct. If it is wrong, just drop me a comment and I'll correct it. Fine. So till then, practice as much as you can. If you have any questions, just let me know. I have already provided an assignment. Go through it and try to solve it by yourself. Till then, see you in the next lecture. In the next lecture, we will be discussing about tuple. So see you then. Goodbye.